In this video, I'm going to walk you through this simple strategy that's going to help you to be in a position of making at least $200 to $300 in a single day. All I need from you in this video is just to follow the whole simple step. It's very easy, and at the end of the day, I believe the sky is going to be your limit. And having said that, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to select any CPA marketing platform of your choice. But for the sake of this video, we are going to be using CPA Grip. If you don't have your account already, just come over here and click on where it says register. If you have your account, just go ahead and log in. But right now, I'm going to log into one of my demo accounts. Once you log into your account, your dashboard is going to be exactly like this. The very first thing we need to do is to come over here to where it says offer tools, and you want to click on this button that says my offer. Here we want to basically select the products that we are going to be promoting. Okay, but first we need to change the country. For the sake of this video, we are going to be using United States, and once we're here, we want to find an offer in form of giveaway. For the sake of this video, I want us to go ahead and promote this particular offer right here that says your Coca-Cola product. Okay, you can see it's a simple product. It's all about getting a chance to win a fridge and 1 year of Coca-Cola consumption. And this is going to be a good product for us to promote. The first thing you need to do is to come over here and copy your link. And once you've done that, you want to go somewhere safe and paste the link there. And now I want you to come over to get response. There is a link in the description of this video. Or if you have your account already, just go ahead and log in. I have my demo account already. I'll just come over here and log in. And once you log into your new account, your dashboard is going to be exactly just like this. What you want to do is to come over here to where it says create landing page, because for this offer, we are going to be needing a landing page. If you know how to build a landing page from scratch, you can just go ahead and do it. But to make everything simple, what you want to do is to first check the offer you're promoting, look how the background is, and then you want to select a template that's somehow related to the offer that you're promoting. Alright, but for the sake of this video, we just go ahead and use this particular template. Okay, you want to hit on what it says select template, and here you want to name your template according to anything. Okay, I can just write something like Coca-Cola, and then you want to hit on next step. On the next step, you're going to wait a little bit for it to load up, and once you load up, you're going to have it just like this. Okay, you can see it's very simple. Basically, you don't need to do a lot of things. Just go ahead and remove all of this because we don't actually need them. The sign up form, you can just go ahead and remove it. We don't actually need all of it. Go over to Google and search for Coca-Cola, and once you're here, you want to hit on where it says image, and we want to find anything that we can actually use for our landing page. What you want to do next is to download any of this image right here of your choice. You don't have to be specific, and it's going to be related to whatever you are going to be promoting. It doesn't mean everybody are going to be using this particular offer. All right, and once you've done that, you want to come over again and search for Coca-Cola fridge, and once you're here, you can also download any of the image that you find a little bit interesting. And once you've done that, you want to return to get response, and here you want to click on this particular icon right here and drag it, and then you want to drop it right here just like this. What you want to do next is to hit on this button that says replace, and you're going to be on your dashboard just like this. What you want to do is to come over here to where it says add files, and here, since we have it downloaded already, we just come over and place it just like this, and the other one also, you come over like this and paste it. And once you've done that, you want to hit on add, and then the photos are going to be loaded into your software just like this. And what you want to do next is to hit on this button, okay, and you're going to have it just like this, and then you want to drag it to make it fit. And once you make it fit like this, the next thing you want to do is to drag and drop this test button, and here what you want to do next is to copy everything, return to the particular offer that you're promoting, and copy the headline, claim your Coca-Cola product. You want to hit Ctrl+C from your keyboard, and then return to get response. What you want to do is to paste it right here with Ctrl+V, and then you can see it right here, claim your Coca-Cola product. And now you might actually change the font if you want, and resize it to whatever you like, and you can even change the color to maybe red, okay, and hit on OK. Like this is not readable, you can actually increase the size here. But if you want to make it super fancy, what you want to do is to drag and drop this button right here, okay? Drop it right here, and everything you basically have here, you want to copy it, Ctrl+C, come back to the button and hit on the text, and then you want to paste it just like this. You can actually go ahead and remove this since we have the headlines already inside the button, and you want to drag it just like this. And the text, you want to hit on the text also, and maybe increase the size to like 100 just like this. Okay, you can see how it is, claim your Coca-Cola product. When the land of the landing page is going to be like this, and here where it says claim your Coca-Cola, once they hit on this button, they are going to be redirected to our offer. And with this already, it's a little bit okay. What you want to do is to come over to where it says next step, and then you want to hit on next step. But before then, you can actually check it out on desktop, how it might look, okay? You can see on desktop, it's not so good. The words don't actually fit in. What you want to do is to return to the desktop version again, okay? And the text, you want to reduce the size, okay? So that it will fit in. Now, let's check it again on the mobile version, how it looks. It's a little bit okay, but that is the way to face the problem. And the next thing you want to do is to hit on this button that says next step once you find this interesting, okay? And then you're going to be on this page just like this. The page title is Coca-Cola. The description, you just leave this the way it is. Leave all of this the way it is. You can also leave this at default. We just need a simple landing page, okay? We don't need domain. Leave all of this the way it is on default. Leave all of this the way it is. Then on the thank you page, you want to put custom thank you page. What you want to do is to return to where you save your link, either your Google Docs or even here. It's also here, okay? You can just copy the link and you can return to get response, and here you want to paste it right here just like this, and leave all of this the way it is. And after this, you want to hit on publish, and then you're going to be on this page. The next thing you want to do is to actually view your landing page to see the way it looks. This is the simple landing page. You can see how clean it is. Once they click on this button, they are going to be redirected to our offer. And the next step of this video is where we are going to be promoting our offer. For that, we are going to come over to this website called giveawaymonkey.com. This website, Giveaway Monkey, is a place where you actually promote your giveaways, sweepstakes, or even your contest online. It's a legitimate platform, and you can see other people are doing it already. But here, you don't even need to create an account. What you need to do is to come over here to where it says submit giveaway. And once you hit on that button, you're going to be on this page just like this. I want you to follow along. It's very easy, like I said at the beginning of the video, okay? And here, first, they want to ask you for your giveaway URL. And for that, you want to come back to the landing page that we created, and you want to copy the link, Ctrl+C from your keyboard, and return to Giveaway Monkey, and you want to paste your link right here. And here, they're going to ask you of the giveaway price. What you want to do is to return to the main offer that you're promoting, and you want to copy Coca-Cola products. Ctrl+C from your keyboard, and return to giveaway, and then you want to paste it right here just like this. They want to ask you for the price description. You can actually write anything of your choice. You can see what they say is that you can increase the price, the details, the retail value, numbers of winners, and important details. You can actually go over to Google and find short story about Coca-Cola, or if you have anything on your mind already you want to write, you can just go ahead and write it, okay? First, I will write something about Coca-Cola just like this, and after that, you still need to state what you're giving out. We are giving out a Coca-Cola fridge and 1 year of Coca-Cola consumption. Since everybody are not going to be promoting the same product, no matter the product that you're promoting, you should know what it's all about, okay? It should be understandable, so that at the end of the day, once you come here, you're going to have something meaningful to write. And once you've done that, you want to come over to where it says end date. On the end date, you can actually say to the end of the month, 28th February, and then on the entry method, you want to come out to where it says email subscription, okay? And here, eligibility, you can leave it at anybody. Then on the country, since the offer we are promoting is for United States, you want to select only United States right here. And then on the giveaway category, you can actually select something like home, kitchen, and garden, or food and drinks. It's going to depend on what you're promoting. And here, they're going to ask you of the giveaway image. You must make your image to be at least 1 MB. Just go ahead and choose any of the file you have in your laptop that you downloaded already. And once you've done that, you want to come over to where it says name and email is very important. And once you've done that, you want to come over here. Here is a little bit important. For them to promote this, your product for you, you will have to pay $1.50. Okay, but don't worry, this money you can actually make it back. With one offer alone, you're going to be making $2. Imagine how many leads you're going to get between now and 28 days. This is the lowest price, $1.50. Or you can actually select any of this here. And if you don't understand what it means, 1 week silver, you can actually come here and read the guideline. If, for instance, you select the silver, you can see all the features you're going to be having. If you post your giveaway today, it's going to be published the exact same day, and you're going to have all of this offer. If you choose the gold one, just read everything by yourself. But if you are not convinced to spend any money, you can go with this $1.50. I believe everybody can pay $1.50. That's just coffee money. Everybody can actually pay that, okay? And once you done that, you want to put in your card details. And once you do it like this, you want to go ahead and hit on submit. And most important information I need to share with you is that whatever offer offer that you're promoting, there might be other people that are doing it already. You creating your landing page and make it look specific is going to guarantee you more results. That is another reason why we actually created this landing page. It's going to make you to be specific, because if you come over here, a lot of people are making money with this offer already. A lot of people are promoting this offer already, and this offer is the most popular offer on this website, if I may say. A lot of people are promoting it. But if you want to promote something like this, you should not go ahead and use this exact same page, because a lot of people have used it already. Okay, for you to be specific, you have to come to any of the landing page builder or GetResponse. Like I said, I have a link in the description, and build something of your choice. Okay, after watching this video, I just want you to put in the work. Go ahead and try something new. Go out there, try the method and see for yourself. Okay, and I believe at the end of the day, sky is going to be your limit. But if you don't want to make money with this method, you can actually click on this video right here that's going to pop up, and it's going to show you different ways and different strategies that you can actually use to make money online. So click on this video and I will see you there.